Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Yealink meeting bar A20 or CTP18 and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings. Now you might want to do this for one of two reasons. The first reason is troubleshooting. If you're having issues with the bar and the tablet not connecting or syncing to one another, if the bar won't turn on, if it's not responding, not connecting, not pairing, any kind of connectivity or functionality issues can very often be fixed with a hard reset to the factory default settings. Now you will need to set it up again because it will be restored to its out-of-the-box settings, which is the second reason you might want to do this. If you want to set this up in a new meeting room or on a new network and just kind of start fresh, we can go ahead and do this by wiping everything off of it. So we're going to go to the interface and we're going to select the settings. And then from settings, we're going to go to general. And then from the general settings, we're going to select system settings. And then from system settings, we're going to select debug. And then after debug, we'll have to put in the administrative password. The default password is, if you've never changed it, is 0000. And from there, you'll go to the color bar. You'll be able to select a reset. It will ask you to confirm because it will wipe everything off of it. You'll confirm it with a yes. And it will reset everything to the factory default settings.